Alright, let's make a quick mail call slash YouTube video. Tom Kubo. I'm not sure if that's his YouTube name or not, but I'll double check and see. But he sent me a package of gloves when I was in Georgia. Actually, he sent them about the time I was in Florida, and then we found out that the world was coming to an end and that they were going to lock down New York City and nobody would be able to get through there. Well, we wasn't going through New York City because we avoid New York City like the plague, but we do go close enough to have some concerns about whether or not we'd be able to go home without getting stopped and restricted. So we jumped in the RV and just hauled boogie. And the gloves he sent me are still down in Georgia. They arrived about the day we were leaving, and I chucked it into the garage and took off. So Tom saw me working with an old pair of gloves with big nasty ugly holes in them, and he says, "You still ain't got no gloves? After I sent you gloves, you still ain't got no gloves?" And I said, I don't know what to say, Tom. I don't know what to say. And he said, "Well, I'm gonna send you some more." So he sent me gloves. So I got new gloves from Tom. Thank you, Tom. And today's a good day to have them because I am about to repaint these valve covers, and I'm going to clean them off good with alcohol. They got a lot of anti-seize, or whatever you call that you put on your screws to make your screws work better, and I'm going to just wipe all that off with alcohol or paint thinner or something like that. And rather than go in the house and wash my hands, I'll put these gloves on when I do it. That way, when I do it, I won't get my greasy old fingerprints all over them nice valve covers, and they'll have a cleaned up surface for me to spray paint on, and life will be good here on the Peak Plantation.